case on your docket, but I have recently substituted on as counsel. A blood discovery order was signed by Your Honor last week on Friday. And so we'd just like to be reset the 60 days or so that it typically takes for compliance with that discovery order.
60 or 30, sir?
I prefer 60, Judge. Typically, it takes more than 30.
All right, we'll do a 60-day reset.
Thank you, Judge. May Mr. White and I be excused?
Yes, you may. Thank you for being here promptly.
Yes, sir. Have a good day.
You too. 602-666. State versus Brian Vargas, and that is Shannon Locke, his attorney. Shannon Locke is no answer, nor is Brian Vargas, marking him absent.
Your Honor, Brian Vargas is present. I can see him on the left side of the screen. His microphone is muted, so he's not answering.
Mr. Vargas, your microphone is muted. Now well, it's not muted, but I can't hear you anyway. Just hang in there. We'll wait and see what happens here. We'll see when Mr. Locke decides to show up. 605-670, State versus Aaron Lopez, and that is Brian De La Rosa.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Brian.
Let's see. We have Mr. Lopez set for trial. I believe he's present. I didn't scroll through it and see if I can find him.
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
There we go. All right. We are set for trial, Your Honor. We do have a plea from the state. I saw the state send a motion for blood discovery. I believe they want to find the alcohol content. We do have the drug content on file, but my client is not prepared to take a plea at the moment. And if we could stay on the jury trial, that would be fine with us on the jury docket.
Well, you'll stay on the jury docket then, and you are both excused.
Thank you, Your Honor. Will we get the reset in email?
Ms. Garcia will send you your notice.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Stay safe. Case number 620-454, State versus Christopher Smileski, or Smilushki. And that's Nathan Slamain. Attorney Nathan Slamain, or somebody for him? Mr. Slamain is marked no answer. And Smilushki, Christopher, I heard somebody say something, but all right, Mr. Smilushki is marked absent. Case set for 11 o'clock. State versus Ida Castilleja, and that'll be Angela Blake. Case number 624-664, State versus Daniel Aranda, and that's Isidro Montoya Jr.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you, sir?
I am well. How about you?
Fine, thank you, Judge. Mr. Aranda should be on the Zoom. Case was reset 2 weeks ago. The district attorney was going to try to get hold of the complainant, and then possibly confer with him so we can maybe get an offer.
Mr. Aranda is. I see him on the screen. I did not hear him answer, but I do see him.
Thank you, Judge.
State, anybody got anything on Mr. Aranda? All right.
I'm not sure what you mean, sir.
Well, you heard Mr. Montoya's response that the state was supposed to contact the complainant or something to that nature.
Let me check, sir.
All right, we'll come back to you and see what we're going to do with that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, case set for 1:30, State versus Benny Reina. And that's Kelly. Kelly is attorney, but that's set for 1:30. Case number 630046, State of Texas versus Bonnie Beck. And that is Marisa Morales, his attorney.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. We're present. We've applied for pretrial diversion with the approval of the Assistant District Attorney. We're just waiting to hear back on our application as to whether it's been accepted or not. We haven't heard back from Beatrice yet, so I'm assuming it's still under review at this time.
Where's Ms. Beck? Bonnie Beck? Counsel, you told me that she's present. I don't see her here.
I believe, well, she said she was signing in, Your Honor. I don't.
Okay, as of right now, she's absent. When she shows up, let us know. Case number
Okay.
632-411, State versus Melissa Morales, and that is Catherine Valenzuela.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. My
Good
client
morning.
and I are present. We were set last week. The DAs were going to get videos. They were uploaded. I have not had a chance to review or to go over them with Ms. Morales, so I would request a month reset, Your Honor.
Why don't we wait? I'm gonna see what the state says about that.
Yeah,
It
you can come and
sounds,
get one of those papers I have up there and get.
Ms. Castillo, good morning to you. All right. We're gonna check on this, Ms. Valenzuela. We'll be
Oh,
long.
no, the state has done it. I checked right before court today. They are uploaded. I just haven't had a chance to review or to go over them with my client.
I
But the
see.
state has finished it. Has
All right.
completed.
So you want a 30-day reset, you said?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
And
It
may my
shall-
client and I be excused, please?
Yes, you may.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Stay safe. Case number 633-404, State versus Jewel Sterrett. And that
Good morning,
is
Your Honor.
William Simmons. Bill?
Your Honor,
Yes. Ms. Garcia?
I'm not sure if he's back yet. He was out of state because he had a death in the family
Okay,
last week.
okay. I'll mark him excused. Let's give him a 30-day reset.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Sterrett,
Yes, sir.
I think you may have heard my coordinator state that Mr. Simmons had a death in his family.
Yes, sir.
And we're sorry that you had to show up, but we're glad that you did. We're going to recall this for 30 days. You will get notice, okay?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. You are
Have a good
excused. You too stay safe.
You too.
637-813, State versus Gerald Washington, and that is Ray Lopez is the attorney.
Yeah, present, John.
Mr. Washington, good morning to you. Have you heard from your attorney, Ray Lopez?
Yeah, I spoke with him about an hour ago. He said he had some other things going on, and he just told me to be patient. That was about it.
Okay, well, let's see how patient the judge is, because he has not informed us that I know of. Ms. Garcia, have you heard from Mr. Lopez?
No, no, Your Honor.
All right, I'm marking him no answer, and we'll see what happens when he shows up. I will have a little talk with him. 648-549, State versus Mayra Gonzalez, and that is Carlos Gonzalez's attorney. Mayra Gonzalez. Mayra Gonzalez is marked absent, as is the attorney. No answer. 650-782, State versus Matilda Marin, and that is Tim Roundtree. Well, by golly, Tim? All right. Mayra Marin is marked absent, and Tim Roundtree is no answer. 650-833, State versus Samantha Chavez, and that is Edward Piker Jr. Ed Piker, no answer. Nor has Ms. Chavez answered, marked absent. 650-864, State versus Mario Garcia, and that's Leslie Sahanovich. Wow, son of a gun. Neither one is present. They're both absent this morning. State,
I'm here. Mario Adrian Garcia is here.
let's see here. Mario Garcia, where are you?
Right here. It'll say Adrian Garcia on the screen.
Okay, that might explain why I couldn't figure you out here. All right, so you are present. So noted. Your attorney is still absent. That's noted. Just hang loose. We'll see what when he shows
Yes,
up,
sir.
what's going to happen. 650902 State versus Destiny Athena Barrera. And that is Melanie Lida is attorney.
I'm here.
Hello.
Hi.
Who is speaking, please?
Destiny?
All right, Destiny Barrera.
Yes.
I'm marking you present. Have you heard from your attorney, Ms. Lida?
No, a couple of days ago only.
I'm marking her no answer also. That's an absence. Stick around. 653412 State versus Joe Riojas. And that's Pat Montgomery. Patrick, I can see you, but you're muted. There you go.
I'm just not fast enough with the darned button. The keyboard doesn't work. I have to click with the mouse. Anyway, Mr. Riojas is connecting right now, so he tells me. So if you'll call us again at the end of the docket, I would appreciate it, Your Honor.
Real good. What is your intent? What do you want to do this morning?
Oh, I'll talk with the state, but let's get him all connected up first.
I got you. You'll be number one to confer.
Thanks, Joe.
Yes, sir. 653461 State versus Vicente Burciaga. And that's Leonardo Reynaud is the attorney. Somebody? Nobody? Mr. Burciaga, are you there, present somewhere in this screen?
Judge, Mr. Reynald is on there. He's trying to connect to audio.
Okay, Mr. Reynaud is present. It appeared like his client is not at this point, so noted. 657824 State versus April Arispe.
Your Honor, I'm present on that. It's Attorney Albert Acevedo. Ms. Arispe should be on here. I think she's under the Moto G stylus.
Mr. Acevedo, you've answered incorrectly. You are Albert Acevedo III.
Yes, sir, that's true.
How are you, Albert?
I'm doing well, Your Honor. It's nice to see you.
You noticed I enunciated, right?
Of course.
And you said Ms. Arispe is somewhere on the screen?
Yes, she was under, she corrected it. You should see her name, April Arispe.
Where are you, Ms. Arispe? Talk to me.
Right here.
Keep talking. I don't see you.
April, say something so Judge can see.
I'm here.
Okay, now I see you. Yes. When y'all talk, I get it. I don't know if y'all get it, but I get like that outline, kind of a cream colored outline. Thank you, ma'am. Albert III, what do you want to do?
Your Honor, she has some pending felonies, so if I can just get a reset on it.
How much time?
About a month.
Okay, somebody's got us a little bit of a feedback. All right, sir, we'll give you a 30-day reset.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Arispe, Mr. Acevedo, y'all will get notice from Ms. Garcia.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Stay safe. 658738, State versus Jeremy Delgado. No attorney of record. Mr. Delgado.
Yes, sir. He's here in the courtroom, Judge.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Castillo. Good morning to you. How was your day yesterday?
It was good, sir.
Ms. Castillo?
Yes, sir.
How was your day yesterday?
Oh, it was nice. It was really nice. Thank you, Judge.
Good. I'm glad to hear that.
Your Honor.
Mr. Delgado, do you have an attorney?
Turn up your phone, please. Okay, he's asking a question.
Okay, no, I do not. I had a court-appointed attorney, believe.
All right, if you'll just stay where you're at, I'll check with Ms. Garcia and see what we're doing with you. All right, 658-753. Court, the state versus Kemerl, Kemerl, I guess that's what it is. Larios Hernandez, he is incarcerated.
Hello.
Hello,
Hello. Yeah, this is Kimberly.
Kimberly.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So I got court today. So what's going on?
All right. Your attorney is Natasha Torres. Ms. Torres, are you on?
Your Honor,
Yes, ma'am.
he's also scheduled for the 290th today.
Okay. All right.
I don't see Miss Torres, Natasha Torres, but I will check to see if she messaged me or.
All right, Ms. Larios Hernandez, if you'll just stay where you're at.
You don't think he should appear in the 290th, Your Honor?
I certainly do. Kimberly, Larios Hernandez, you're supposed to be showing up in the 290th District Court. It's obviously a felony case. So check with the people there. Tell them you're supposed to be in the 290th also, and we'll be checking.
So I gotta be at the courthouse.
I don't think so. It should be like you're doing right now.
I think the 290th is having them go to the court judge, but he needs to call them.
All right, contact the 290th District Court.
Actually, I think he should call his attorney.
Hold on a
Excuse me, I
second.
gotta call them first, and then I have to come back to show up in the Zoom.
Just stick tight right where you're at. We'll see what we'll find out. We'll check with the 290th in a little bit. And we'll wait for Natasha Torres. We'll show her not answering at this point. 658-790, State versus Reinero Cruz Garcia. And that's Jesse Sanchez's attorney.
He's logging in now, Judge.
Well, that's wonderful. Jesse Sanchez.
It says it's connecting to audio.
Attorney
Yes.
Jesse Sanchez. Attorney Jesse Sanchez.
You talking to me?
It's 9:21, no answer.
Jesse, Attorney Jesse Sanchez. Judge, he's there. He's unmuted. I guess he can't hear us.
All right. And Ms. Mr. Reinero Cruz Garcia, are you on board? Are you present? Do you see him, Patty?
No, sir.
Judge, if I may,
Mr. Sanchez.
Yes, good morning, Judge. I've tried getting a hold of him. When I was appointed, they provided me with no phone number. He's on PR bond. I contacted them. They gave me some phone numbers, and his number's not accepting any calls. Also at Haven for Hope, what they told me.
All right, well, we're showing him not present. You have 1 week. We'll recall him. If he's not present, then we'll issue a warrant.
Okay, thank you, Judge. May be excused.
Yes, sir. Next time when I call the docket at 9, Mr. Sanchez, I expect you to answer at 9. Is that understood?
Yes, Judge.
All right.
Yes.
Take care. Stay safe. And we have one case for 2 o'clock. State versus David Samuel Schroyer at 630-623, and the attorney is Sokoya Thomas. All right, that's the docket for this morning.
Sure.
Who-
Good morning, Your Honor.
Anderson and Associates, who is that?
That's Kelly. That's my attorney. I'm Ben Reyna. Benny
Judge,
Reyna.
Judge, he's scheduled at 1:30 for a plea.
All right.
It's
I'm
on
sorry?
page 2.
Yes, Benny Reyna.
Yes, sir.
You're scheduled at 1:30 for a plea. And Kelly, you had somebody there on his behalf?
No se escuchan las voces.
Okay, don't worry about it. Be back at 1:30, sir. You got it?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
You're
Good
welcome.
morning, Your Honor. Shannon Locke for Brian Vargas.
Shannon Luck. Good morning
sir.
to you.
Good morning.
Mr. Vargas,
He's present.
Yeah.
We have applied for pretrial diversion, Your Honor,
Yes, sir.
and we're waiting for a response.
So you want a 30-day reset?
I think so, Your Honor. Yes, please.
Your Honor, I can update the court on that case.
I'm listening.
I contacted the complainant. They are not opposed to pretrial diversion in this case.
All
So
right.
we will approve it with the stipulation that Mr. Vargas needs to make upfront restitution to the complainant.
And we're prepared to do that, Judge.
All right. So you want 30-day reset to complete this, or you want to set it up for a
If we-
plea or
Well, we'll do it at 30 days, Judge, so that because we
PTD?
need to get the application and then that needs to be approved.
All right. PTD, 30-day reset.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Vargas, Mr. Locke, y'all are excused. Mr. Locke, remind you that the docket was called at 9.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right. Take care. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anybody
Your
else? You're
Honor.
welcome. Yes, sir.
Your Honor, I can also update the court on Mr. Montoya's case. We have had contact with the complainant. However, the complainant does not speak fluent English, and I do not speak Spanish well enough to communicate with him successfully. I asked our investigator Bernal to contact the complainant. If he has done so, he has not left any notes about the results of that interview.
All right. So do we give the state a 30-day reset? Is that what you want to do?
That'll be fine, Judge. We're not opposed to that.
Day reset.
Thank you,
Make it
Judge.
so, Patricia, y'all will get notice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You guys stay safe.
You stay
Thank you.
safe, Judge. May we be excused, Your Honor? Myself and the client. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Both. Anybody else needs to answer? Or
Judge,
go forward?
Your Honor, I have one here in the courtroom.
Yes.
Christopher Militsky. He's
Page 1.
on the first page. It's 620-454.
Okay, how does he say it?
He's here. He's been here in the courtroom.
I know, but how does he say his name?
Chmielewski? Chmielewski, sir?
Again?
Chmielewski?
Simulesky. All right, Mr. Simulesky, you were late.
No, sir. He was here in the courtroom.
Okay. I didn't hear him answer. We still have not heard from Slimane. Mr. Nathan Slimane, are you here yet? Attorney? All right, Mr. Simulesky, if you'll just wait, we'll see what happens with your attorney.
Yes, sir.
Anybody else?
Yes.
That did not hear their name or did not answer at 9 o'clock?
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Marisa Morales for my client Bonnie Ann Beck, and she's the one who applied for PTD. And she knew to Zoom in this morning, and I'm trying to figure out what the issue is there. And I'll keep working on it. I am supposed to report in 3 minutes to mediation on a probate case with Judge Spencer. So can I report back to the court, Zoom back in to report back to the court as soon as I figure out what's going on with my client?
Yes, ma'am. You are in touch with her?
I do have a phone number and email, and we did email about the fact that they were Zoom this morning versus she was going to come in person. I told her no, it's a Zoom. So I am in touch. I'm just trying to figure out what the disconnect was with regards to her Zooming in. This was her first time, and I'm trying to connect.
Ms. Morales, we will be here.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused for now,
Yes,
and I'll
yes,
report back.
Yes,
Okay,
you
thank
may.
you. Thank you.
Thank you. Anybody else here?
Your Honor, Brittany Hill. My case number is 6266547. My attorney is a court-appointed attorney. Her name is Gail Caldolora. I have not been able to get in contact with her since October. I've been trying to call her. I leave voicemails and I have emailed her and I haven't heard anything back. And she is not here today.
What was your case number?
626-547.
She's not on the
Patty,
docket
I
today.
don't see it on the docket, Patty.
She's
Okay.
not on the docket today. I can look her up, Judge.
Your Honor, she was set for trial today. That case was reset by the court to October 13th of 2021.
October
13th. October 13th, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Is there anything that I can do in order to, I don't know, I feel really confused about my situation because of the fact that I've been able to contact her and
What is your name, ma'am?
my name is Brittany Hill.
Brittany. Last name again?
Hill, Hill.
Brittany Hill. We'll get a hold of Ms. Calderola. Ms. Calderola is usually prompt with her clients. We'll see about it. Have her call. If you will get on chat and give Ms. Garcia your contact information. Patty, will you get that, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Hill, don't do it over. It's right now we're on YouTube worldwide, so now get on chat and give Ms. Garcia the contact info, all right? Hello?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was, what was it?
Get on chat
Mhm.
and give Ms. Garcia your contact information.
Okay, so specifically.
I just asked her for her email address, Judge.
Okay. We'll share that with Ms. Calderon and make sure she gets in touch with you. So once you do that, you're excused, ma'am.
Thank you.
Anybody else that has not appeared at 9 did not answer?
Yes, Judge. I don't believe I heard my name. Carlos D. Gonzalez.
What is your name?
Carlos D. Gonzalez, attorney representing Myra Gonzalez.
It's on page 2, Your Honor.
Right, I'm aware. I remembered it was Gonzalez and Gonzalez. Carlos, I called your name at 9 o'clock. Obviously, you were not here, did not answer, nor did your client.
Yes, so I'm on the phone with my client and she's trying to log in right now. My apologies for not showing at 9. I had another hearing that I had to get out of real quick in the 290th. But we're here, I believe, for a plea. The only thing I need to confer with Ms. Morgan, if that's possible.
We'll make you number 2 for conferring, and you'll probably be number 1 with Ms. Morgan.
Thank you very much, Judge.
You're welcome. Anybody else that needs to confer? We had Patrick Montgomery. Did you find your client? Pat?
Yes, sir. He is logged in. He shows on the screen as Joe's Galaxy A11.
Yes. I'm here.
Keep talking, Joe.
I'm here, sir. I'm currently at work.
There you are. Okay. Pat, we'll put you with Mr. Edelman to confer at this time.
Thanks, Judge.
Patricia,
Yes, sir.
place them in breakout, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Who else is here who had not answered at 9?
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Natasha Torres.
Natasha Torres.
Yes. And my client is Mr. Kenmerly Larios Hernandez.